Yeah, so nice to see you again, everyone.
Hi.
So before we start, I would like to show you some things. Wait.
Oh.
No. I'd like to show you my table. I have things on my table. So what is this? Yeah, so it is a cookie. What are these?
Chips or
Yes, kiwi. Yeah, so what are these?
cookies.
Yeah, so those are cookies. What is this?
What?
What is this? This one.
Oh, wait, that was like tissue.
Yes, it is a tissue. Very good. What are these?
Tissue.
Can you answer in a complete sentence? These are, or they are?
These are tissues.
Okay, very well. What is this?
Paper.
It is a paper. Okay, thank you. And what are these?
These are paper. Lots of paper.
Yeah, so as you've noticed, we use the words this and it and they. So that is our lesson for today. Wait, let me share my screen. Yeah, so we have this, these, it, they, plurals. So when do we use this and these? What's their difference? Anyone?
This is one thing. These are lots of things.
Okay, very good. Yeah, that's their difference. What else? Aside from singular and plural form. Yes, Nadi, what other things?
The spelling.
Okay, very good observation. Yeah, the spelling. What else?
This almost like soup. Sounds like the same.
Yeah, so as you've noticed, I asked, what is this? And then if I put it on the table, what is that? So what's the difference?
That is this that's
Yeah. Yeah, it's the distance also. So if you're holding the item or if it is near you, you have to use this. And then if it is far, for example, what is that? That is a calendar. So we use a different word to ask the question, okay? So let's start. So the words this and these are demonstratives. So Kiwi, please read.
Demonstratives are words that show which person or thing is being referred to in the sentence.
Okay, thank you. So the use of demonstratives, please read Vivi.
Use of
demonstratives.
Demonstratives.
Demonstrations. 他听到吗？
有啊，
好
Demonstratives.
Demonstratives. 好。这也是吗？
要大声。
The demonstratives differ according to
你要念啊，他叫你念。
对。
他刚刚有念。According
to.
Yeah, so first one, distance.
Near or
Far.
far or near. Number
Singular or plural.
Singular or plural.
Okay, thank you so much, Vivi. Yeah, so demonstratives, they have difference. So it depends on the distance, just like what I mentioned a while ago. If you are holding the item, and it's only one, we will use this. But if you're holding many, these, the second one, THESE. Okay, guys? So there are distinctions. So just like what I say, this modifies or refers to the singular noun, and it is near the one talking. And then these modifies for the plural noun, and then near the speaker too. Yeah, so we're done with this and these. So let's talk about it and they. So when do we use it? Tao Tao. When do we use it and they? What's the difference?
Singular. PLURAL.
One is singular.
Yeah, so the first one is a singular and the other one is plural. What else? No more? Yeah. So we use it. Please read, Daniel.
We use it to refer to things. Example, my computer isn't working. It is crashed again. Can you have a look at it?
Yeah, so anything you can see, which are things just like this one, we use it. And of course, this is in the singular form. Another one, Nadi, please read. We use
it as an empty pronoun, also known as a body. Where not on the subject to the subject position, particular when
yes.
referring to the weather or time.
Yes, that is correct. So we use it as a dummy subject if we don't know who we are referring to. Example, it's so lovely to see you. So it's for everyone. So you don't know if I am talking to Kiwi or if I'm talking to Lily. When I say it's so lovely to see you, it's general. Okay? And then the next one, Joshua, please read.
We usually use it to refer to countries.
Vehicles.
Vehicles and machines. In some traditional styles, she was sometimes used, but this is now considered in a
Appropriate.
inappropriate by many people. Example, we spent 3 weeks in Malaysia. It's a beautiful country.
Yeah, so the it here is Malaysia. So they describe Malaysia as a beautiful country. And then we move on to they. Tao Tao, please read.
We can use they to talk about a wide group
Group of
such as an
Authority.
such as
authority or an
Institution.
institution. In such case, they does not refer to
Specific.
specific.
as a
Specific.
people.
Okay. Yeah, so when we say specific people, the exact person that we are talking about. So for example, you guys, you are group number 3. So that is the specific name of your group. But when we say specific people, I'll point out names like Noddy, Joshua. So those are specific people. Okay. So we use they in general. So example, they've opened a new cinema in the town center. So next use, Daniel, please read.
We use they and them to refer back to the
Definite.
indefinite pronouns once. Anyone, everyone. On the line below when we do not know the number or gender. Other gender. We also use they and them in question facts.
Okay, example.
I believe anyone can do anything if they really want to. No. Can they?
Yes. So as you can see here, there is a tag question. So can they? But in here, they change it into a question, can't they? So I believe anyone can do anything if they really want to enough. Can't they? Yeah. So we also use they to refer to indefinite pronouns, to someone or anyone. So in here we use anyone, everyone, or someone. Yes, so any questions, everyone? No question. Let's have exercises. So use the correct personal pronoun or demonstrative pronoun. So the first one, who would like to answer? Tao Tao? Let's have number 1. So blank are on the wall. The pictures are on the wall. Okay, so the answer is?
They are on the wall.
They are on the wall. Yes. They are on the wall. The next one, Kiwi.
Talking about a book in your head, how could you buy something like this?
Like this. Okay, very well. Thank you. Next one, BV. Yes, VV. So the dress is green. Yeah, so how will you change it? Yes, it is green. Good job. Next one, Noddy.
This is on your left.
Mm-hmm.
Cherries
Cherries.
are delicious. Cherries are delicious. These cherries are delicious.
Yeah, these cherries are delicious. Very good. Sorry guys, because I can't hear you well. Anyways, the last one, let's have Daniel.
About a picture you have just take from your wallet. This is my wife.
Yeah, this is my wife. Okay. Okay, any questions about the use of the pronouns? Yes, Joshua, what is your question?
No.
No question. Okay. So let's have reading. So anyone, can you tell me what is this? Can you see?
A dolphin
Yes, it is a dolphin. So
jumping out of the water.
yeah, it is. It is jumping out of the water. Yeah, so what are the things that you know about the dolphins? Kiwi, what do you know about the dolphins?
你对于海豚的认识是多少？
One of my friends named Dolphin. 我有个朋友叫海豚。
你再讲一次。
One of my
I'm sorry, I can't hear her. What was that?
One of my friends, her name is Dolphin.
Wow. Okay, very nice. That's a very nice name. Okay, what else?
It can
Yeah.
jump.
What do you know about dolphins?
Dolphin is very smart.
Mm-hmm.
They like to swimming the ship.
Yes, they are very smart and they like. I'm sorry, I can't hear you well.
就是他们喜欢在船旁边 swimming beside the ship. Swimming beside.
Can you please speak a little bit louder?
Swimming beside the ship.
Ah, yes, it does. It does swim beside the ship. That's because it likes people. Do you know Bill Gates?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Bill Gates actually, he has an aquarium in his house and he has a pet dolphin.
Wow. That's
Yeah.
cool. 他在他的家里有水族馆，然后他就养了宠物海豚。哦，比尔盖茨。比尔盖茨。比尔盖茨家有水族。
Yeah, because Bill Gates is one of the richest person in the world, so that's why he can buy a pet dolphin, I guess.
If you go die.
Maybe if the dolphin has a friend on the aquarium, maybe it will not die. But anyways, yeah, so we are going to talk about the dolphin. So dolphin language may have grammar. So that is the story, the title of the story. So we know that dolphins are very smart, just like what Joshua said. So who wants to read the story? Daniel, please read.
Human may not be the only ones to use grammar and vocabulary to spell and speech, to speak and communicate. Communicate. Scientists believe dolphins also use words and sentences to speak to each other. We have known for a long time. Each other. We have known over a long time that dolphins can communicate. New research suggests that this communication is similar to the conversations humans have. Scientists that clicks, whistles, and other sounds that dolphins make appear to be sentences that the sea creatures send messages to each other. The dolphins use their language to identify themselves, have relations with other dolphins and do things together. Scientists say that one day we may be able to understand dolphin language and talk to dolphins.
Yes, thank you so much, guys. Yeah, so did you understand the story? Yeah, so the scientists, what is the story about Joshua? Because you said, yes, you understand the reading. Yeah, so how do they communicate to each other?
With some high quality sounds.
Yeah, so the scientists say they use the clicks, the whistles, and other sounds, to send messages to each other. What about the ladies? Yeah, the ladies there, are you still okay? By the way, guys, before we continue, did you remember the homework that I sent you? Ultrasound. Yeah, they use ultrasound or waves to send messages.
这样分开不好看，不要把它收起。
By the way, did you receive my email last time? Do you remember I asked you to make a presentation about Taiwan?
Oh, I have.
You have? Can you make the presentation now?
就是上次他不是有提供的作业，他有做啊，就这个啊，很久以前。10月4号国庆年假，
你有做吗？那这样大家可以做就别做。
就他有做。
那你传呗。
可是我不知道我什么感觉。
喂。他是在某个礼拜3、礼拜2的晚上9点的时候传。
Yes, by the way, in addition to the reading, I think the ultrasound, the waves that were sent is done by the whales. So they find a wife using the sounds that they can make. So the more beautiful sound that they create, the better wife that they can get. So since we still have time, let's have writing practice. So you can choose choose a topic. So do you agree that it would be very useful to communicate with all creatures, to other animals? Or you can write a letter to an expert, a scientist. So you can ask 3 questions. Okay, thank you, Daniel. And then you can give 3 questions that you would like to ask about the topic, which is talking dolphins may have grammar. Yeah, so this is writing exercise. Are you okay, guys? Yeah?
So this is our homework?
No?
No. Now writing.
Yes.
那我们看不到题目啊，是没办法写。重点是我们看不到题目啊，我们看不到题目。
So please choose a topic. So if you cannot finish it, then it will be
useful to able communicate with our creation. This is discuss writing a letter to an expert
And just
on
choose one.
language. 这是2选1嘛，对吧？
什么2选1？
它是2个问题2选1。It have 2 questions.
Yeah, it has 2 questions, so you'll just choose one.
哦，挑一个。
什么 2 question？
有2个，它只是2个问题。对，这是第一个，前面2个是一个，后面这些才是另外一个。然后你选一个做，每个人选一个做回答。对，我可以换到其他桌面。
好，那你先回答。
哦，我不懂啊，这傻小哦。
By the way, Daniel, I got your file. Thank you for sending your homework.
这什么意思啊？翻译。
对，我看。
翻译来，这将是非常有的这个通信啊！这什么傻小？这过分有够破的。这是什么？
So we need to write down on papers or.
You need to send it to me.
But we don't have computer now.
Ah, I see. So you can compose your ideas on a paper and then you can send it later.
Okay.
Or by next week since we don't have much time. Yeah, so it can be your homework.
Okay. So do you have our Gmail or?
Yes, I do have your Gmail. I send you your homework via email.
Okay.
Mm.
Got it.
Yes, because it's almost time. Yes, so everyone, thank you for your time. So I'll see you again next week. Okay, so enjoy the rest of the day and enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.
Bye.